So right here we have some hot spots showing on these solar modules here, picked up by the drone thermal inspection. And when we walk over, take a look at what we have. We can see this one module has a bunch of cracks, probably because of an improperly installed mid clamp right there. And then we have some more on the neighboring module. And let's go underneath and take a look at what else we can see from behind. And oh yeah, check this out right here. We can see it, that's almost cut through, and this module is bending forward here. And we just have all these cracks coming up on the backside of these bifacials. But this is just another reason why drones are such a powerful tool for finding these issues out here in the field and in getting some installers to come out here and have these replaced.
Okay, so it seems like there's a cantilever profile here, or structure, but look here, or there, look where it's tightened. Yeah, so if you do basic training on structures or anything, they will tell you the solar panels has holes in there, and you must put them, to stay in the warranty, you must put them on close to that. So let's quickly go to a picture like that quickly. Okay, so this is just from, is some Canadian solar, but there it says to you, there's the hole, A1, A2, but the distance cannot exceed 219 millimeters. So that is where you have to tighten it for the wind and everything, so that the frame is hard enough so that it doesn't break. Here is the cantilever. So it says used to insertion profile running perpendicularly to the long side frame. So I assume it's these ones. So they want you to put two frames. I haven't done one of these, so I don't know. But I mean, it's common sense. So this whole plant is not installed correctly. So can you see there's basically two bolts that's in the middle. So these bifacial panels, I think they're even more softer than the others because there's no plastic at the back that can even support them. Maybe not, but yeah, so look at the bottom and you will. So no problem. I think thermal is very important, but it's sometimes the thermal do thermal, but they have to report this now to the client. And what will they say now? This panel's broken. They must report this whole solar farm is incorrectly installed. So they must either put the profiles there, or they gotta replace the whole structure. So this is basically, why would that happen? That is because of wind and storms. So yeah, his conclusion was maybe that was the mid clamp there, but that was too tighten. That could happen. But that's not why it cracked, because the wind pulled it up. It cracks there. So it's actually plain and simple. You don't need a degree to figure this out. So here's some glasses that's damaged. Could be maybe from grass cuttings, could be from anything. These things happen, and these are on solar farms. And then they ask now, how is fires going to start? So this is, if they didn't pick it up, just a matter of time, there would be problems. So I'm not 100% sure, but it looks like quite a big farm. You know, this is the best view I could get from that. There's just another one from the bottom. So you can only see there's no support on them. So look how that whole frame cracked. Because now that's also a weak point. But there you're supposed to fasten it. But this is not the correct place to do that in any way. So yeah, see how these cells are cracked. The efficiency must be way down, and that will create hotspots as he picked up. So he did his job, he collected that, could see that, but it's going to happen with all the panels. Just another one of them on the cracked panels. So yeah, that is the middle of the panel where the white stripe is here. That's more or less the middle, the center of the whole cells. And see where it's tightened. Only two. Just another view. another angle. Yeah, so yeah, completely wrong. RFDM. Read the freaking manual. But yeah, I hope it helps. Maybe you can see something that if you're not 100%, maybe you're cleaning panels or something. If you see that, you can say to the customer, this is not correct. Yeah, so this is in the USA, it's not in South Africa, but these things happen. This was done by a big company. How could everybody on site go forth with this and not realize that they are doing it wrong? I don't know.